This video is to demonstrate some of the capabilities on the Adobe Pro program. First, I'm going to demonstrate how to combine JPEGs into a PDF. So I've got a list here of some JPEGs, and so I'm just going to click on this first one, and let's say I just wanted to go down to this far. I'm going to hold down the Shift button, and I can either use the down arrow or I can just click on the last one. So I've selected the ones that I want, and then I'm going to right click on the first one, and up comes a little menu, and I want to go to Combine Files in Acrobat. That's the one I want. So I'm going to click on it, and it opens up the Adobe Acrobat Pro program. And so here's all the JPEGs. So in the top right corner it says Combine, so I'm going to hit Combine. If I needed to change the order, I could have changed the order first. You can see it's going through, putting check marks on it that it's doing that one. And after it's done, then they're all put together, and it's in a file named Binder1 PDF. That's the default. It hasn't saved it yet, but that's what it is. So I'm going to hit File, Save or Save As, and then I can select the USB that I want, and I can change the name to whatever I'd like. I'm going to leave this as PDF as far as the Save As type. So I can change this to Test, and then I can hit the Save button, and then that's saving the file. And then after it's done saving, I'm going to show you a couple other things you can do with PDF files. Okay, so it's saved. So now I can, right here in this top spot here, these are thumbnails. I'm going to go to thumbnails. In the thumbnail view, I have a lot of different options. So let's say like this one is sideways. So I can go up here and click on that page and click on this left turn button. So that one turns it so it's right side up. Or let's say I wanted to change the order. Let's say I wanted to move this one, and so I can just move it wherever that blue bar is. That's where it's going to go. So it just moves it up there. Or let's say somebody has some that has some blank pages in it. They want to get rid of the blanks, or something they want to get rid of. So let's say that this one we didn't want in this document anymore. I can click on it, and I can either hit the trash button here, or I can just hit the delete button on the keyboard. So I'm going to hit the delete button, and it's going to ask, do you want this page deleted from the document? So I can click OK, and so now that page is gone. So that's how that works. And then of course when you're all done, you want to save it with whatever changes you're going to make on it. So those are some of the key features, as far as rearranging things. And you can move several pages at a time. You can delete several pages at a time, and you can rotate several pages at a time. So if you click on one image, hold down the Control button, and then you can click on another image and another image, whatever you want, and then you can do that same operation on all of them at once, either deleting or turning or moving. So those are the main things that I found helpful in helping people with the Pro. Let me show you one more thing that is also helpful, and that is combining PDFs. So like I have several PDFs here, and I can select those PDFs. And if I wanted to combine those PDFs, I'm going to do it exactly the same way as the JPEGs. I'm going to right click on the first one, and I'm going to click Combine Files in Acrobat. And you can see here's the different files that I just selected. And again, I'm going to hit Combine, and it's going to go through and do the little check mark as it goes through each of them. And so now they are all combined in one. Again, it's calling it binder one, but I can save it whatever I want. And so that's just either the save button or file, save as, and I can select where I want it and whatever I want to call it. So that combining works both with image files as well as PDFs.